Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you are trying to set up family sharing on your iPhone in your Apple ID, but you are unable to set up family sharing and you get the message that adult family member required. Here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply ask your adult family member to set up a family sharing for the family. So guys, if your parent or your other guardian is not available to set up family sharing, then you can also set up family sharing for you as well. So guys, for that you have to simply open your device and then open settings in your device, and from here tap on profile, and from here you have to tap on personal information, and from here tap on birthday. So guys, you have to simply add your date of birth and make sure that you are above 18 on your Apple ID information. So guys, you have to simply change the date of birth that makes you above 18, and after this simply tap on done button, and after this try to again add family sharing in your iPhone. So guys, this time you will be able to set up family sharing for your device. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.